Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about snack mask reviews. Guys, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this website, which is Sip and Snack Mask website, and it is an online shopping store which is based in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, that deals with various face masks at affordable prices. The prices of these offerings are too good to be true, guys, and the company is offering various face masks in different themes including Billy, Daisy, Heather, Hannah, Joe, Jessie, Kelly, Lily, Megan, Poppy, Sarah, etc. So these are the theme-based masks that you can take a look. And apart from that, talking about payment methods or payment information, guys, they have not provided the exact payment information on the website, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, they have not provided the shipping policy or exact delivery duration, which is again a negative sign. So guys, before going further, I request you all to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. Guys, it is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration, which is a good sign, but this is not enough that can define its legitimacy. So talking about the domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 25th of May 2020, and according to a study we have found that this particular domain name is registered for 1 year only. So guys, this is 8 or 9 months old website, so we can't trust on it easily. So let's check out the about us page of this website to know more about this website. So you need to visit the menu option button and you will be redirected to the about us page. So here is the about us page, and guys, they have provided information related to business owner name, brand connection info, etc. But they have not provided information related to business establishment year and offering. So this is again a negative sign here. And guys, talking about contact details, you need to visit the menu option button and you will find contact us page on this particular website. And here is the contact us page. So guys, here they have provided a query form. If you have any query or question related to product and online purchase, then you need to send your query via this query form and you will be connected with the customer care representatives team. So this is the only way through which you can connect with the customer representatives of this company. Apart from that, the site has no social media presence at all. The site has nil social media presence, which again defines or makes the site quite suspicious, guys. Now talking about return policy, guys, they have not provided or mentioned any return policy on the website. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product if you have. And talking about snack mask reviews, guys, we have found no reviews about this site on the internet, and we are not able to find a single customer review on the official website as well. Guys, talking about the social media presence, you can see various social media icons are available on the website, but I would like to inform you that all these social media icons are not active and misleading. When you will click a particular social media icon, then you will be redirected to the home page or another page of this particular website. So this is a biggest negative sign. So guys, there are so many loopholes, and in the final conclusion, the website appears to be suspicious at various loopholes define its suspiciousness or fakeness because guys, absence of contact details, zero social media presence, zero security measures, unavailability of company's complete information, low traffic score, poor design of website, and missing web pages are led to believers that it is a suspicious site, and You need to explore the site at your level, guys, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So this site is not trustworthy worthy site, guys. You should stay away from such type of websites and explore the entire information at the best level. Guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.